Hello everyone, Chai here from ArmorUp, and today we're going to show you how you can use the Pop Your Hip wrist wraps. These wrist wraps are made for weightlifting and for bodyweight exercises, gymnastic use. It's made of 100% cotton. It's a cloth-like material, you can see over here. It's non-stretchy. So by putting this onto your wrist, it will give you additional support for your wrist movement, like push-ups, for your presses, for your snatches, for your handstand push-up. To put this on, you just have to go around your wrist and tuck the cloth in. Just go round and round. Initially, when you put this on, it don't have to be super tight, and just tuck the rest of the string in like this, and this should be able to lock it in. To use the wrist wraps, you just have to turn to tighten. So this is another beauty of this wrist wrap. You can adjust as and when you need. For example, if you are doing a CrossFit style workout or HIIT training where you have push-up and pull-up together, when you're doing pull-up, you don't need the wrist support, so you can just release it without taking off the wrist wrap. And when you are going into a push-up, you can just simply twist and turn to tighten it. Because this material is made of cloth, it will give you the wrist support, and still you have a little bit of mobility here on your wrist, which is great for your snatches and your gymnastic movement, like your handstand and your yoga, whichever, right? You still can be able to have some movement in your wrist. So comparing to the usual kind of stretchy wrist wrap, these are more for powerlifting and for strict press, bench press. If you don't want the wrist to move at all, I would say that you should go for this. This will really lock your wrist in tight, dead tight, because with the additional stretchiness, you'll make it like super tight. You have to take this off after every set. That's dead, you know, it locks it in, so it will be very uncomfortable if you are trying to do your handstand walk with it, and your handstand movement, it can't. You see the difference? This one and this one, it's dead. So this kind, if you are doing bench press or shoulder press and you don't want any movement at all, I would say that heavy weights, go for this one. And if you are doing HIIT training and just need a little bit of wrist support, and for gymnastic movement or body weight movement, weightlifting, you need some mobility to it, then use the Pop Your Hips wrist wraps. Pop Your Hips wrist wraps designs are pretty limited. It really depends on whether Kelly is able to find the cloth itself. Kelly is the founder of Pop Your Hips. So for example, this panda over here, lifting panda, this is our last piece right now, and not sure if we will be getting more of this cloth. It depends. Sometimes some certain cloth itself is just sold out and you can't get it anywhere anymore, and it's been discontinued. So if you are a collector itself, it's also pretty nice to get a pair like this and keep it. And lastly, this is machine washable, so after 1 or 2 workouts, if you find that your wrist wrap smells, you can just throw it inside the washing machine and you are done. Yep. And thank you for watching today's video. So if you have any question on the wrist wrap itself or where to get them, just drop us a DM or comment down below. And that's all. Thank you.